In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Hootsuite password. Keeping your password up to date is one of the simplest ways to protect your account, and the process only takes a minute. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently from start to finish. First, log into your Hootsuite account, open Hootsuite in your browser, enter your credentials, and sign in as you normally would. If you're using the mobile app, the flow is similar, but I recommend doing this on a desktop for the clearest view of all settings. Once you're in, head to your profile or account menu. You'll usually find this in the top right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your avatar or initials. Click it to reveal your account options. If you manage more than one organization or workspace, don't worry. Your password applies to your overall account, not just a single workspace. Next, open your account settings or security settings. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on interface updates, but look for something like account settings or security. You're aiming for the area where personal details and security preferences live. If you see a tab or section labeled security or password, that's the place you want. Now choose the option to change your password. This typically appears as change password or update password. Clicking it will open a form that asks for your current password and your new one. Enter your current password first. Then create your new password. Aim for something strong and memorable. A good rule of thumb is to use a longer passphrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords you've used elsewhere. If there's a confirm field, type the new password again exactly the same way. Take a second to double check spelling and make sure caps lock isn't accidentally on. When everything looks correct, save the change. Look for a save, update, or confirm button. After you submit, you should see a confirmation message that your password was updated successfully. From this point on, use your new password the next time you log in. You may be signed out on other devices, which is normal. Just sign back in with the new password. That's it. You've successfully changed your Hootsuite password. As a quick tip, consider using a reputable password manager to securely store your new password and make a habit of updating it periodically. If you ever can't remember your current password, use the forgot password option on the sign-in page to reset it safely. Thanks for watching, and great job taking a proactive step to secure your account.